Hi, my name is Catherine and I'm going to walk you through the features of your new ScanX probe. This can be used wirelessly if you would like to. We've been experimenting with wireless technology for a few years now and feedback has been really positive. So we've decided to introduce this as an option on our flagship product, the ScanX. It doesn't cost anything extra, and when you buy your new ScanX, you can use it wirelessly if you want to. First of all, let me show you how to use it the traditional way. Here you have your USB-C cable and it connects magnetically to the probe. If you have it the wrong way round, it will repel like this, which did confuse me the first time. So make sure you have it the right way round and it will snap together magnetically. To turn your probe on, there's an on button here. Just press it and hold it for a second and it will go green. To launch the app, double-click on the ScanX icon on your desktop. If you have forgotten to turn the probe on before you launch the app, then the probe just won't show anything when you first start the app, so just remember then to press and hold that on button. When it starts, it may start frozen. It's a press and swipe to unfreeze, and you'll be able to get going with your scanning. Now let me show you how to use this wirelessly. Just as before, you press and hold the power button and it will flash green. Double-click your ScanX app. To locate your probe, it's all done within the ScanX app itself. You don't do anything on the Windows interface. So what you will do is click the little Wi-Fi icon at the top. And you should see your probe there in the list. It will be identified by the serial number, so the Wi-Fi name and serial number will be the same. If you don't see it, just hit refresh, and as long as your probe is turned on, it will show up on the list. Then you press connect. Once you've done this, press OK, give it a second, and it will pick up your probe, and you will be ready to scan.